coconut, tamarind, shallot dip, or green pepper, coconut, tamarind, shallot dip casserole, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the coconut recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tamarind recipes and one of the most delicious of the shallot recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable dip recipes. We're going to make green pepper, coconut, tamarind, shallot dip. We've taken around 25 to 30 pods of green pepper, around 15 grams of garlic, around 10 grams of tamarind, around 30 shallots, and 15 grams of ginger, around 100 grams of grated coconut, which I've grated freshly, and pour it then in the bowl. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Saute over. Saute. Put in the ginger and the garlic. Saute the ginger and the garlic together with the shallots. Putting the tamarind, salt the tamarind, putting the green pepper pod, salt garlic, putting the grated coconut, salt and mix thoroughly. Put in a spoon of chili powder, mix, thoroughly saute mix. This mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix for 2 to 3 minutes and take the mixture onto the plate and let the mixture cool. Now put the mixture into the grinder after it cools down. Pour in 5 to 10 ml of water. Close and grind well. Pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in a few mustard seeds. And let it pop. Put in the curry leaves and put in the ground mixture. Sauce and pour in 150 to 200 ml of water. Sort of mix thoroughly and let this mixture cook for 4 to 5 minutes. The green pepper, coconut, tamarind shallot dip is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Green pepper, coconut, tamarind shallot dip, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the tamarind recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the shallot recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.